space, way bigger than like what we're used to in our kitchen. But it's pretty nice. We found our places really quickly. We were the second team, which was kind of scary, but you know, we kind of started getting going immediately.
Definitely a new experience. I've never done this before. It's all of our first times actually. We just kept thinking and we added on stuff, making it better, but overall it was really nice.
It's exciting to watch these kids get to put to use some of the stuff they've learned, and it's exciting to see them succeed.